Hey there. Stretch marks are incredibly common, especially after significant life changes like pregnancy, weight gain, or even growth spurts. They're a normal part of life, but that doesn't mean you have to live with them if they bother you. Today, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to reduce and eliminate stretch marks effectively. We'll be exploring both natural remedies and medical treatments backed by solid research. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The first step in your journey to eliminate stretch marks is to keep your skin moisturized. Hydrated skin is more elastic, which can help reduce the appearance of stretch marks over time. Natural moisturizers like cocoa butter and shea butter are popular choices. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Nursing in 2012, women who used cocoa butter during pregnancy had fewer stretch marks than those who didn't. Here's what you do. Take a small amount of your moisturizer. Apply it generously to the affected areas. This could be your abdomen, thighs, hips, or wherever you notice stretch marks. Massage it in circular motions until it's fully absorbed. Do this twice a day, ideally after a shower when your skin is damp. Next up, let's talk about retinoids. These are vitamin A derivatives that have been shown to increase collagen production and help with skin cell turnover. A 2001 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Dermatology found that tretinoin, a type of retinoid, significantly reduced the length and width of stretch marks in participants. Here's how you can use retinoid creams. Before bed, apply a pea-sized amount of retinoid cream to the stretch marks. Gently massage it into the skin. Make sure you only use this at night because retinoids can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight. Always use sunscreen during the day if you're using retinoids at night. Important note. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using any retinoid products, as they can be harmful during these periods. Hyaluronic acid is another effective ingredient for stretch marks. It's known for its intense hydration properties, which can improve skin elasticity. According to research published in the Archives of Dermatological Research in 2014, applying a hyaluronic acid-based cream to stretch marks showed significant improvement in their appearance. To use hyaluronic acid, apply a few drops of hyaluronic acid serum to the stretch marks. Massage it gently until it's fully absorbed. Follow up with your moisturizer. Do this twice daily for the best results. Exfoliate with a sugar scrub. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and promoting the growth of new, healthy skin. A sugar scrub is a gentle and effective way to exfoliate the areas affected by stretch marks. Here's how to make and use a sugar scrub. Mix 1 cup of sugar with a 1/4 cup of almond oil or coconut oil. Add a few drops of lemon juice if you want some extra brightening power. In the shower, gently scrub the mixture onto the stretch marks in circular motions for about 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, but be gentle to avoid irritating your skin. Microneedling, advanced option. If you're looking for something a bit more advanced, microneedling could be an option. This treatment involves using a device with tiny needles to create microinjuries on the skin, which triggers collagen production. A study published in Dermatologic Surgery in 2014 found that microneedling significantly improved the appearance of stretch marks in most participants. Here's how to do it. Start by disinfecting the microneedling device with alcohol. Apply a hyaluronic acid serum to the stretch marks for added hydration. Gently roll the device over the stretch marks in different directions, horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. After the treatment, apply a soothing moisturizer or serum. Important note. Microneedling can be uncomfortable and should be done with caution. If you're unsure, consult a dermatologist before trying it at home. Silicone gel sheets are another treatment option that has been used for years to reduce scars, including stretch marks. A 2016 study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology showed that silicone gel sheets can significantly improve the texture and color of stretch marks over time. To use silicone gel sheets, apply the gel sheet to clean, dry skin over the stretch marks. Leave it on for at least 12 hours per day. Replace the sheet daily and continue this treatment for several weeks to see results. Vitamin C Serum. Vitamin C is known for its ability to boost collagen production and improve skin texture. According to a 2003 study in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, vitamin C can significantly improve the appearance of stretch marks when applied consistently. Here's how to use vitamin C serum. Apply a few drops of vitamin C serum to the affected areas. Massage gently until absorbed. Follow up with a moisturizer and, if it's daytime, sunscreen. Combining remedies for maximum effect. You can combine some of these remedies to boost their effectiveness. Here are some combinations. 1. Hyaluronic acid plus retinoid cream plus moisturizer. Apply hyaluronic acid serum first to hydrate and prep your skin. After it absorbs, use a retinoid cream to enhance collagen production. Finish with a rich moisturizer like shea butter to lock in moisture and soothe the skin. Use this combo nightly, but remember to apply sunscreen during the day if you're using retinoids. 2. Exfoliation plus vitamin C serum plus moisturizer. On the days you exfoliate, 2 to 3 times a week, start with a sugar scrub to remove dead skin cells. Immediately after exfoliating, apply the vitamin C serum to brighten your skin and support collagen production. Then, finish with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and protected. On non-exfoliating days, skip the scrub and just apply the vitamin C serum and moisturizer as usual. 3. Microneedling plus hyaluronic acid. If you opt for microneedling, apply a hyaluronic acid serum immediately afterward. The microinjuries created by the needles allow the hyaluronic acid to penetrate deeper, enhancing hydration and promoting healing. Important points to consider. Side effects. Some of the treatments mentioned in the video, such as retinoids and microneedling, can have side effects, including redness, irritation, and peeling. It's important to consult with a dermatologist before using these treatments to discuss the risks and benefits. Individual results. The results of any treatment for stretch marks may vary depending on individual factors such as skin type, age, and the severity of the stretch marks. By using the remedies we discuss consistently, you can significantly reduce the appearance of stretch marks and even eliminate them over time. Remember, patience is key. These methods take time, but with dedication, you'll start seeing results. And hey, stretch marks are completely normal, but if they're bothering you, there's nothing wrong with taking steps to reduce them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it with someone who might benefit, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. We're here to help.